This is today's talk where we meet people, create memories, and explore opportunities every Tuesday and Thursday of the week.
Smile? No, I think I
Patingin ulit ng
always...
smile. Hey guys, what's up? This is Mika again, and welcome to the last episode of the first season of Today's Talk, where we meet people, create memories, and explore opportunities every Tuesday and Thursday of the week. Today, it's gonna be a fun episode because we have very special guests. I'm excited as you are, so now let's welcome our management team. Alright, so due to popular demand, guys, eto na ang inyong pinakahihintay. Andito na ang ating management team. So, we have the lovely ladies here. Kumusta ang inyong mga travel? Si Miss Yvonne nag-travel pa all the way from Cagayan Valley. And si Miss Mai, tumawid pa siya ng maraming bundok from Rizal. Just to be in this podcast today. So, how are you, guys?
I'm good. A little bit tired, but yes, I'm fine. Thank you, Mika.
Alright, so this is not actually like a very serious discussion. Ano lang, eme lang, guys, because this is actually the season ender of today's talk. So last episode to ng first season. But before we dive into some information about Infinity, we would like to say hi sa aming mga big bosses. Hello, Sir Michael Lindsay and Miss Ivy. I hope na masaya kayo habang pinapanood nyo ang episode na to. And also to our whole Infinity team.
Hello, everyone. Hello, Sir Michael. Hello, Miss President and the whole IMS team.
Yes. Alright. So, kung hindi nyo man alam, guys, si Miss Yvonne and then si Miss Smiley, matagal na sila sa Infinity. So, mukhang magkakaalaman tayo ng edad ngayong araw na to. Pero, paano ba nag-start ang Infinity? Of course, nandyan si Boss, tsaka si Miss Ivy who started the business. Pero, ano ba yung naging journey nyo, guys, to helping Infinity become the Infinity that it is today? Because I just joined 2019, so baby pa ako compared sa experience niyo. So yeah.
I think it was Mylene who joined Infinity first. So
yeah. So our first service at Infinity when I joined is the General Skilled Migration.
Way back?
Way back.
Ayaw sabihin yung taon.
Basta decades na po.
More than
decades when I joined Infinity. So, yun yung first talaga na application. Actually, first na application ko is General Skilled Migration na, which is permanent residency in Australia. So, yun, dun nag-start ang Infinity sa akin.
Yes.
When I joined. And then, unti-unti, nag-transition to student visa.
And then we had the focus na for student visa. So for me naman, I think that was 2012 when our president started to open a branch in our hometown in Camalaniugan. And then I was working in a hospital back then. And then during my off times, I visit them in their office and then stay there, chill. And then suddenly, our president told me, do you wanna try if you can do this? Yeah, that was a skilled migration application. And then I started doing it and I felt like I am more productive in this kind of business than in a hospital setting. So when we started Infinity in Camalaniugan, we had the chance to hold a seminar, an event in Tuguegarao. It was hosted before by University of New England with Mr. Rishan Shekhar.
Hi, Rishan.
So, hi, Rishan.
We love Rishan.
And then when we had the event in Tuguegarao City, that was in Hotel Roma, there are lots of attendees. And that's where we started opening our Tuguegarao branch. So, total, it's almost how many years, Mai? Almost 14 years?
Yeah, 14 years.
Running in Tuguegarao City. And then we focus for student visa, and the rest is history. We opened a lot of branches, and then made Baguio office our main office, and then we reopened our Quezon City branch, and then other branches followed, and that's it.
Right. And the reason, guys, na they started doing general skilled migration is because ang aming boss, si Mr. Michael Lindsay, he is an Australian registered migration agent and also a New Zealand licensed immigration advisor.
Yes.
Right? So before, like, 2 branches lang, no? And then now we have 9
It was Tuguegarao and Baguio only.
At
And
that
then
time.
suddenly we reopened QC and then followed by other cities.
Yep.
Yes, I think.
Yes, and I remember yung mga stories nyo back then on how you guys promote Infinity. So, gusto naming malaman yung mga stories na yun because those are our humble beginnings.
Yeah.
Yes, and I still believe that those advertisements had something very great impact to
Yes.
how
Yeah.
Infinity is running at the moment. So, I remember the time when Mylene and I used to go flyering at
Yes.
CVMC because our main target before are nurses.
Nurses.
There was an overpopulation of nurses. So we do the flyering to the malls, in front of schools.
Yeah.
And then we even meet clients outside office. Wherever they are available, we are the ones going there. Unlike before, magpaskil kami ng tarpaulin.
Yes.
And then we do it by ourselves actually.
Mm-mm.
And may dala-dala kaming payong kasi mainit, especially sa Tuguegarao. But then when we look back, doon namin nare-realize that it's something na talagang naging big impact for who we are at the moment. Di ba,
True,
Mai?
oo.
So, si Mai kasi din ang kasama naming mag-flyers noon.
Oo.
It was fun, actually. Our first Infinity team experienced all of those things.
Yes.
And then, kasama namin si Miss President, lahat-lahat. Sinusupport niya naman kami, taga-payong. Ano pa ba, Mai, yung ginagawa natin before?
Mga funny things like naglalagay tayo ng mga tarpaulin sa mga likod ng tricycle.
Yes.
Ganon. Tapos yun nga, pumupunta
Sa mga tindahan, nagpapaskil.
maglalagay ng malaking tarpaulin sa harapan nila. So yun yung mga marketing namin before kasi hindi naman din kami mateki. And social media, hindi pa rin naman ganun kalaki noon.
Yes.
Hindi pa siya ganun ka-big.
And then, ang magpapa-advertise nun sa radio is a bit expensive.
Yes.
So, parang mano-mano na lang ang ginagawa namin. And it worked, actually. It worked. So, in Tuguegarao now, very known na tayo doon. And then, I remember our first big tarpaulin, it was located in the Mall of the Valley.
Yes.
So, pagmumukha ko ang andun.
And ako, I joined Infinity way back 2019. So, 6 years na ako sa Infinity. So, before I worked in the publishing, guys. And the funny thing is, when I was in college, that time paper-based pa ang application sa Australia. So, si Miss Yvonne, magpapadala siya ng mga documents niya. And bilang gusto natin ng extra allowance, dahil nag-aaral pa tayo, I would go pick up those documents.
Bring to
and
VFS.
ako yung magsasubmit sa VFS. Pero at that time, wala naman akong interest about the international education industry until nangailangan ng additional staff. Ang ating QC manager na Miss Mylene, si Miss Mylene. So eventually, napunta ako dito and we are part now of the management team of Infinity. And of course, during that time, 2019, pre-pandemic. And then after, wala pa akong 1 year, talagang meron ng like COVID.
Yes. That
It was a
2020.
very difficult time, but we managed to go through that. Right. So when I joined Infinity, 5 branches pa lang. And now we have 9
Yes, we have 9
branches.
at the
And
moment.
then with your help, and then si Bossy, Miss Ivy, we have 11 study destinations now. So from Australia, New Zealand,
Malta.
Canada, we now have Europe,
Yeah.
Malta, Ireland, Germany,
Poland,
Poland,
Spain. We also have UK now.
And then we will
also
not stop
USA.
from there. We will
Yeah.
not stop from there.
So, ganun lang. Mukha lang ano.
Mukha lang kami
Mukha lang
walang
ginagawa.
ginagawa.
Yes. Mukha lang kaming pa-travel lang, guys. But, you know, we are grateful na Infinity is the Infinity that it is today because, of course, of the supportive staff that we have.
Yeah.
Yung mga managers namin, pangmalakasan yung mga yan. So, shout out sa aming mga managers dyan.
Yes, na magagaling, magaganda, matatalino.
Right. So we are just, we have been in the industry for more than 20 years now, and you will still see us for so many, many years. And nandito pa rin kami to help you guys with your application, student visa application. But of course, we also do other visas, di ba?
We do partner visas, we do graduate visas. We also do tourist visas for their parents, relatives who wanted to visit their family members in Australia. We also do that. Lahat ng mga yan, pwede namin gawin for you.
And if you would like to get started with your journey, guys, you may connect with us on Facebook or our website. If you would like to consult directly with Miss Yvonne, siya ay aming country manager based in Tuguegarao. And of course, si Miss Mylene is our QC office manager, and they're part of the management team. And you can also contact me through our Facebook page, and we will be sure to get back to you as soon as possible.
Yes.
Right? Short lang naman siya, di ba? About Infinity. But to wrap things up, ano po yung masasabi nyo sa ating mga clients, sa ating mga staff, and sa mga gustong mag-aral abroad? Miss Yvonne.
Yes, to all our clients, our deepest gratitude for trusting Infinity Migration Services always, and for referring us to your friends and relatives. It really makes our heart full.
Yes.
And then to our staff, thank you also for making everything smooth as possible. I hope you will still be with us for the years to come, and then we are very grateful that we have you.
Yes. Mga
aspiring international students, please chase your dreams. Don't stop from what you think it is. Go after your dreams. If you think that you can be better, do it. It will move you to a place where you can be better.
Yes.
So start building your dreams, and of course with Infinity Migration Services.
Yes, ang ganda nun. So si Miss Mylene, ano
Ay,
yung
pa ba?
masasabi? Yes.
Akala ko okay na yun eh.
hindi kayo papayag. Bilang kayong mga pioneers na Infinity. So you have been...
sabi, bilang kayong matatanda.
Grabe naman.
Gandaan lang natin ng konti. Bilang mga pioneers na Infinity, because you have seen the market, the good times and the bad times.
Yes.
I've seen also like 6 years, but they've been through worse. And ano yung, from your experience, ano yung masasabi nyo sa ating mga aspiring international students?
Well, sa ating mga aspiring international students, hindi naman din natatapos lang yung journey natin after college.
Yes.
There's so much more na pwede nyong i-explore. So if you think na gusto nyo pa, you want more, then maybe you would like to check your options, international options. So
Yes.
study abroad. Naging instrument na
Yes,
si Infinity sa maraming mga clients.
Yes.
Sa mga aspiring students talaga na gustong mag-abroad.
Right. So if you would like to get started, guys, with your study abroad journey, then please check out our Facebook page and our website at www.infinitymigration.com. And also sa Facebook page namin, dun yung makikita yung mga success stories namin. And yeah, we would love to serve you and help you make your dreams come true. And yeah, thank you so much, guys, for always trusting Infinity and referring us sa mga aspiring international students.
Yes.
You are a big part of the success that we have now. And yeah, we will be forever grateful to you. Right.
Yes.
So, akala nyo yun lang yun.
Meron pa ba?
Mag-tea time din tayo, guys. This is actually an exciting tea time kasi of course, management team ito ng Infinity. So, if you're ready, guys, we will start. So, kahit po hindi kayo ready, gagawin pa natin siya. Alright, so again, this is the most exciting part ng podcast because it's the tea time and we're doing it with Miss Yvonne and Miss Mylene. So I have the questions here for them. First question, what's your favorite holiday and how do you celebrate it?
Siyempre, favorite holiday ko pa rin ang Christmas.
Yes, and bare months na. Merry Christmas!
Pwede na pong mag-start
ng gift giving.
Sa mga nakikinig po dyan.
Yes.
May 9 offices po kami.
True. So, yan. Favorite ko talaga ang Christmas kasi aside from it's the birthday of our Papa Jesus, syempre parang yun kasi yun talagang family time.
Yes.
So, kaya yun yung favorite holiday ko. So, it's not family time lang. time din para sa lahat ng empleyado ng Infinity.
Yeah,
So, yun
to
yung
get
lagi,
together.
yun yung lagi kong nilulook forward talaga.
Yes. And naranasan na din ng ibang mga school reps na mag-join sa aming mga year-end gathering. And it was so fun with them.
Wala pang dull moments. No,
Yes.
I believe wala pang dull
Anong
moments.
favorite nyo?
Of course, the Boracay party.
Boracay party.
It was a bliss. It was so
Yes.
fun.
And yung sa Cebu.
Oo,
Gusto ko
sa Cebu din. Actually, every year naman
Yes.
maganda talaga
Grabe.
siya.
Nung
Even the
start-
simplest to the grandest we had, masaya
Yes,
talaga siya always.
nag-start ang Christmas party ng Infinity. I remember nung kami pa lang. So, dinner lang
Baguio
kami. Dinner lang muna.
Pero ang
kami.
first out-of-town party natin
Nasa
sa Baguio.
Nasa
Yeah, that
Baguio.
was our first party sa Baguio. Sa Crown Legacy Hotel, yes.
Nag-ano pa tayo?
Before that. Yeah, yung
Nag-ano
first
pa tayo,
talaga.
yes.
So parang nag-visit lang kami ng Baguio and then nag-tour sa Ilocos area. Yes, that's our first.
Before nag-open ang Baguio.
Oo.
Doon tayo nag-ano.
And then that's when we decided to open an
open.
office in Baguio. Yes. Lahat yan natin may mga reasons eh.
Yes.
May mga
Yung mga pagwawalwal, guys, akala nyo party-party lang
Party-party
yan.
lang.
Pero
naghahanap
nag-i-strategizing na kami sa mga ganyan. Strategic meeting.
Yes. Favorite namin yung mga ganong part.
strategic meeting
Yes.
with
Yes.
ganyan.
Right. Ako din, favorite ko ang Christmas. Parang everyone's favorite ang Christmas.
Oo
Yes.
naman. Yes, even me. Parang iba yung ihip ng hangin, iba yung vibe, iba yung
Yes.
atmosphere. So everybody else looks forward pagdating ng Christmas.
Right.
Siyempre,
Yes.
dagdag natin siya ng
Christmas bonus! This is cute. What made you smile recently? What or who?
What made me smile recently?
Tingin, smile.
No, I think I
Patingin ulit ng
always-
smile.
I always wake up with a smile, with gratitude that it's another day given to you by the Lord. And then when I go down, I look at my children and yes, they are the reason I smile every day. And then pati sa office lahat, workmates and everything follows during the day. Whatever it is, however it's whatever circumstances it is, mag-i-smile pa rin ako. Kasi kung may problema man, hindi naman makakatulong yung frown. It will make you pangit lang, di ba?
Ayaw natin maging pangit.
Ayaw nating maging pangit.
Kasi ang branding
ganda
natin
na lang
ay-
ang natira.
Yes. Kahit ganda man lang matira sa atin, guys. Di ba?
So yun, I always smile. Every morning I wake up, naka-smile palagi yan.
Patingin ulit ng smile ni Sia.
Ayun. Bang klase talaga yung smile.
Smile ng, may pera, inspired. Right. Miss Smiley. Who has had the most profound impact on your life?
Sa akin, siguro si boss, si Mr. Lindsay. Kasi yung trust ba niya
Yes.
na binibigay. So parang yun yung naging inspiration ko for who I am today.
Yes.
Yung sobrang workaholic niya. So parang yun yung lagi kong nakikita na I should do better. Kasi sobra magtrabaho yung boss ko.
May standard na eh. At
Yes.
napakataas ng
Oo.
standard. So,
So, parang
kailangan at least,
hindi ko na may higitan yon, pero at least man lang yung expectations, ganun, mamit
mamit
May parang teary-eye na naman siya.
hindi naman.
Miss Universe talaga.
Oo.
So, yeah. I think sa ating tatlo, si boss talaga. Like, even sa akin, I remember when during my first day sa Infinity, Quezon City holiday yun. Pumasok kami kahit wala dapat pasok. And then tinanong ako ni boss kung anong capital daw ng Australia. I don't even know the answer, guys.
Hindi mo ginugol?
Hindi ako nag-Google before ako pumasok sa Infinity. But, over the years, I have grown so much in the industry, in the business, because I have great mentors. Si Boss Michael, si Miss Ivy, of course, si Miss Mylene, and si Miss Yvonne. Whatever I do as an operations manager, I always consult with these mentors. And Infinity is what it is today because of all these people behind working behind the scenes. So, right, like even si boss namin and si Miss Ivy, hindi nyo sila makikita all the time sa mga events namin, sa social media, but
They are there.
yeah, they're always working in the background, making sure na we have the right resources na kailangan namin para magawa namin yung job namin.
Parang sa ating tatlo naman, we look up to them talaga.
Yes.
With to Boss and Miss Ivy kasi they have been our guiding light all throughout. Hindi naman kami magiging ganito ka-confident with our
Yes.
decision makings
Yes.
without them teaching us, guiding us. So, we are always thankful
Yes.
na andyan sila always. How many years man tayo na nag-stay sa kanila. And then they have entrusted and trust nila tayo.
Yes.
Binibigyan nila tayo ng time to voice out kung ano din yung
Yes.
gusto natin. It's not just all about them. It's all about us. It's all about the whole Infinity Games. So, yun yata.
Yes.
If you could instantly master any language, what would it be?
Actually, if there's one language that I really wanted to learn, parang Spanish. Kasi parang, di ba, we are rooted, somehow rooted, na naging colonized tayo ng Spain, if my history is correct. I'm not so sure. Pero yun, parang ang ganda niyang pakinggan, you know, whenever I watch movies na may mga Spanish language, I always wanted to do that. Actually, I have plans also to study, pero wala lang talagang oras. But then yun nga, aside from Tagalog, English, Spanish is something na parang, ay, ang sarap pakinggan. So yun siguro. Para baka hindi rin tayo ganun mahirapan, no?
Yes.
Oo.
Kasi may mga words na parang pareho.
Uno,
din.
dos, tres, mga ganyan.
Cuatro, cinco, cinco.
Right.
Ako same.
You know, di ba?
Spanish
Gusto ko talaga,
Oo.
wow. Dahil nilaunch namin ang Europe.
Oo.
So parang gusto ko na rin makarating ng Spain.
Kasi mag-visit tayo soon.
Yes, soon. So kailangan natin pag-aralan yung
Hala, yun ba yung hala?
Yes. So,
Oh,
if
diba?
gusto nyo guys maging proficient sa Spanish language, pumunta kayo sa Spain and study. Pero hindi nyo kailangan munang proficient sa Spanish naman
You
when
can
apply.
you can study
Yes.
for a few months before you start your main course. Ayun,
Yeah.
promote na tayo. Study in Spain.
Study in Spain. Ako naman gusto ko ang French language.
Yes.
Ang hirap.
Parang hirap.
Ang hirap niya. Yes.
O, di ba
Actually,
may
We
nung,
started it, di ba?
nung pandemic, I was trying to learn French language. Pero
Hindi mo tinuloy?
sobrang hirap niya. Ang hirap niya. So,
sa akin.
we'll see. Pero guys, again, nagpro-promote din kami ng France. Student.
Yeah, oo nga, France.
Para-paraan to.
So kung gusto nyo maging proficient din sa French language, then go study sa France, di ba?
Yes. Pwede mag-study muna
Yes.
sila ng
Yes.
French language.
Right.
Kung gusto nyo na din na aralin din ang German,
German.
language.
Pwede rin. German
German
naman tayo
language.
ngayon. Ha?
Yes.
Embedded po ang German language sa mga program nila.
Right. Miss Mai.
Okay.
Oh, what's your greatest fear and how do you manage it? Parang mga pang universe talaga yung napupunta.
bakit
Dahil ba,
pinili mo?
dahil ba
Fear.
bagong gupit ka?
Ay, oo nga. New haircut.
Ever since, ang greatest fear ko talaga ay public speaking.
And look at
And-
her.
Tignan nyo naman. Who would have thought na nandito ako ngayon nagsasalita.
Yes.
And then you do it during events and
Yes.
seminars.
Yeah.
So,
Yes.
diba?
Hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya na-manage actually. Pero parang wala, nag-ano lang ako. Dinadala ko lang yung sarili ko sa flow.
Yes. Ganun lang naman talaga.
Ganun lang yung parang niisip ko na lang na ako lang to. At sila lang yan.
Yes.
Ganun lang yung ano ko. Tapos siguro, dahil nga talagang takot-takot. Takot din ako sa crowd.
Yes.
Sobrang
May,
takot
di ba,
ako sa
noon,
crowd.
pag pinapa-speak ka namin, talagang nalalamig siya.
Yes.
So, sabi ko, hinahawakan ko yung kamay niya, kaya mo yan, kaya mo yan. But
So,
as you grow naman talaga dito sa
Totoo.
industry natin, wala kang choice.
Wala talaga akong
Kailangan
choice. So,
magsalita.
kailangan kong harapin. So, kasi ever since, ang work ko kasi nasa operations ako,
Oo.
nasa
You
back
deal with
office.
people.
Nasa back office lang talaga yung mga work ko. Nag-start ako sa Infinity Documentation Officer. Hindi naman ako nakikiharap sa
Tao.
Sa tao. Kasi yun talaga yung forte ko. Yun yung gusto ko. Pero no choice na ako nung lumaki ang Infinity.
Nag-start yung mga events natin.
Start ang events. So parang hindi ko din ma-imagine ang lawak pala talaga ng industriya natin. So wala na talaga akong choice kundi harapin yung takot ko.
Yes.
And
Look at her now, guys.
Oh, ngayon, may podcast ka na.
Nasa podcast na siya, nasa T-Days Talk na siya.
T-Days Talk na po.
And we have an upcoming event sa Quezon City, sa No Hotel on
Saturday,
September
see you
13th.
there.
Baka siya ang maging host. We'll see.
Papalakpak tayo.
Yes, right.
What time yung event natin?
1 p.m. to 5
1
p.m. sa No
to 5
Hotel.
p.m.
See you guys there.
Yes.
Okay, if you could swap job with anyone in the team, with whom and why?
Ay, nako.
Napunta na sa...
Siguro, ano ako eh. gusto kong maging marketing team.
Okay, Mylene.
Kay Coles.
Kay Colleen. Sige.
Kasi, frustrated, ako, char.
Saan? Sa video editing.
Sa video editing.
Layouts, ganyan.
So, yun.
Oo nga,
Yun
even
yung
though how much we
inaaral
try,
ko.
no?
Yun yung inaaral ko talaga, kaso hindi rin talaga ako pinagpala sa ganun.
You cannot have it all
Yeah,
na,
you
di
cannot have
ba?
it all.
You cannot have
Ipaubayan
it
na
all.
natin kay Colleen Mape. Hi, Colleen Mape.
Hi, Colleen!
Dakilang editor.
Sana wag mo kami na naman pagalitan.
Yes, because it's true. Mahirap ang post-production. Like editing, layouts and all. We've been working like how many hours pagdating sa mga editing and all para maayos siya. But that's the good thing because we always wanted to make sure na okay, hindi na-deliver natin. That's what we do at Infinity. We make sure na yung output natin ay maganda.
Yes.
Not only sa mga layouts, sa mga editing, but also with the visa
With the
applications
application.
natin.
Lahat-lahat.
Quality service. Delivered on time.
Wow, perfect! Ay, parang maganda yung natin, tagline.
Yes.
Quality service delivered on time. With Infinity Migration Services.
Okay. Magaling si Miss Yvonne dito kasi marami siyang nabibigay pagdating sa mga gantong bagay. What advice would you give to someone struggling silently?
Yes. To be very specific, madami yan sa mundo, but they are just dealing it alone, silently, because they are scared. They are scared to seek for help. What I wanted to tell you is, do not be scared to seek for help. I myself had experienced that before, so I was hesitant to seek for help kasi tingin ng mga tao, when you do that, there's something wrong in you. Baliw siya or something like that. But no, those things right now are very, very normal. Kailangan mo lang humingi ng tulong para mag-guide ka kung anong gagawin mo. And then never be scared to share your feelings to others. Because it's how you can express whatever it is in your heart. So if you have fears, tell it to your friends, the one you trust. Tell it to your family. And then, wag niyong hayaan na parang mabulag kayo na dapat ako lang nakakaalam nito dahil nakakahiya. There's nothing to be ashamed of. You know, everybody else deals with things like that.
Yes.
It's not only you. So, hindi mo pa alam. Baka mamaya yung katabi mo pala sa jeep. You know what I mean? So, don't be scared to seek for help. It's nothing but normal. And wag kayong mahiya sa mga tao. And there are a lot of helps around there.
Yes.
You just need to open up and seek. And they will gonna help you. Kayang-kaya yan. You know, right now, I'm okay. I've been through that for almost 3 years, I guess. Pero right now, I always laugh about it. I always smile about it. And I'm just thankful. I have a very, very great support system from around me. Na, you know, they are there whenever I need someone to talk to. Mika, Mylene, our president, even boss actually. One time, he called me, "What's wrong, Von? What do you need? Like this, you know?" They are all very supportive of me, especially my kids and my family. And I am always thankful for it. Wag lang matakot. You know,
Yes.
wag matakot and wag mahiya.
Yeah.
Yun lang. Di ba, Mai? You
Yes.
also...
Silang dalawa actually, guys. Kapag nagta-travel kami, akala nyo lang okay sila.
Nagtatrabaho pa rin
nagtatrabaho
kami.
sila, ganyan. Pero, yeah, I've seen them in their, like, those phases na hindi sila okay. But look at them. They get to manage it. I think that's a very good advice. Just be able to, seek help whenever you need it. And try to open up if
Yes.
kaya nyo, unti-unti.
And the most important thing before I forget is to trust God.
Yes.
You know, whenever I experience that thing na nasa crowd ako, nagsasalita ako, sinasabi ko na lang, Lord, andyan ka naman. I do trust you and I can pass again another day with this one.
Yeah.
And then tomorrow, okay na naman.
Okay.
Bakit may po okay? Parang natakot ako sa may okay.
All right. Describe our president, Miss Ivy, in 3 words.
Wow. Ayan na.
In 3 words.
3 words lang. Hello,
Three
Miss
lang,
Ivy.
three.
Beautiful.
Yes. In and out.
In and out yan. Pag sinabi mong beautiful,
Lahat na.
package na yan.
Package.
Yes.
Package
Okay,
yan.
what else?
Legend.
Yes.
A legend, right?
Parang isa na lang kasi. Kahit na one word na lang eh.
One word. Kasi yung legend, nandun lahat.
Oo.
Pero sige, legend
Beautiful legend.
and kind.
Super kind. Yes. Agree naman tayong lahat dyan.
Yes.
Legend na lang
Yes.
talaga.
And alagang-alaga kami. Yun ang aming president.
Siya yung ano namin, siya yung guiding star
Yes,
namin.
yes.
Every time na napupundi kami, pinapailawan niya kami.
Mika, Yvonne, Mylene.
You know, guiding star. Yeah.
Yes, right.
She's our guiding star.
Yan.
Ang ganda ng magkasunod na question, guys. So, Miss Yvonne, describe our CEO, Mr. Michael Lindsay, in 3 words.
Mr. Lindsay. Hi, boss. Okay. Ano ba?
Kung nasang lupalop ka man ng
Eh, nagamit na ni Mylene yung legend.
Eh di legend
Oh,
din.
Legend din.
walang kopyahan.
Walang kopyahan.
Hindi pwedeng parehas.
Our boss is a very good man. Good man in terms of business, in terms of family, people, lahat-lahat. He is a very fair man, very kind.
Yes.
So yun, he looks after us every time.
Yes.
He looks after everyone else. So sa mga staff, hindi niya lang alam sila by name. Boss knows the name of your sister, the name of your father, your mother. How are you? What is it that is parang kung may problema, he is there for us. So yun, si boss ang parang he is someone we look up to.
So much.
So much.
Yeah.
And then fair siya in everything
Right.
that he does.
Yes. And yeah, we love them so much. We love our president, we love our CEO, and of course, we are very happy now we have this beautiful team sa Infinity from our 9 branches across the Philippines. If you had the power to change one event in your life, what would it be?
Oh, pang Miss Universe na naman. Mutya ng
In
Rizal.
my life, parang if I have the power, parang wala pa rin akong babaguhin. Kasi I wouldn't know kung binago ko, mas maging maganda yung magiging kalabasan.
Oh.
So parang I wouldn't change anything.
Right.
So kung ano man yung pinagdaanan ko na mga struggles, mga challenges, parang yun naman yung nagdala sa akin kung nasaan ako ngayon.
Perfect. Yes.
So parang wala na. Yun na yun.
Yes. Enjoy the journey.
Yes.
And appreciate everything.
True. Yun.
Parang same siya dun sa una, pero okay. What are you most grateful for?
Oo nga, parang same lang siya. You know, guys, as you grow older, you are very grateful with simple things in life.
Yes.
So when I was younger, I want to have millions, you know?
True.
I wanted just to have millions. But then as you grow older, na-realize mo, it's not all about the monetary things, the luxuries and all. We are just very happy and blessed that we come to, you know, experience a bit of that. Pero I am always grateful with the family I have, especially my children. You know, yun lang naman talaga as a mother, pinaka-grateful is to see your children grow, you know, na maging okay sila. And then, the people around you who give love, understanding, patience. So, every morning, I thank the Lord for whatever I have at the moment. And I couldn't ask for more.
Right.
Pera lang po.
Have you ever been told you look like someone famous? Who is it?
Wait lang.
Parang pag tinitingnan ko si Miss Mylene, kamukha niya, kahawig niya si
Julia Roberts.
Jeneline Mercado.
Actually, Charo.
Oo nga, yung
parang before, lagi naman, sabi nila si
lagi naman. Gusto mo yan.
Gusto ko yung ganyang confidence. Guys,
artistahin tayo.
hindi ganyan ka-confident si Miss Mai. I've been with her. Like, parang 24/7 kami magkasama, guys. Hindi siya ganyan ka-confident, but look at her.
Lagi naman, di ba? Lagi naman.
Kailangan confident tayo kasi maganda tayo eh.
Oo, yun na lang talaga. Meron ganda.
Yun ang branding namin, guys. Maging maganda lang every time.
Yep,
ganda ang aming puhunan sa industriyang ito. So, last question, Miss Yvonne. Sasagutin natin tong tatlo, ha? What's an unusual skill or like any talent you wish you had?
I really wanted to be a singer, you know. No questions asked. Actually, lahat yan. Especially my Tugigaraw team, alam nila yan. I always sing in the office kahit alam kong pangit yung boses ko. I love music. I really love music. It makes me happy pag kumakanta ako. Pero sorry na lang sa mga nakikinig. I really wanted to be a singer. Yun lang.
Gusto mo ba silang bigyan ng iyong sample?
No. Next time. Next. O, sige, watch out for it.
Miss Mai.
Ikaw.
Ako, gusto ko maging magaling talaga mag-dance.
Pole dancing, gano'n.
Kasi ang hirap mag-dance kaya.
Hindi rin naman ako marunong, di ba? Kami ganyan lang talaga.
Turuan ko kayong dalawa.
Ito, magaling sumayaw to. Magaling sumayaw. Oo, sige.
Parang sa aming tatlo, si Miss Mai yung pinaka-matino, pinaka-talented.
Alam niya yung left and right, no?
Well,
kaya pa niyang kumanta, di ba?
Pinagbala naman tayo pagdating sa talent. Wow.
Kami lang hindi.
Pero siguro, gusto ko pang mahasa yung ating
singing.
Ay,
artista!
Artista pala ako in the future.
Ako talaga, gusto ko kasi di ba parang ang astig mo pag marunong ka kumanta, you know, magli-listen to yung mga tao.
Sing and dance. And yan yung isa sa mga bagay, guys, na we are very proud of sa Infinity. Ang dami naming magagaling na singers.
Dancers.
Yeah, dancers.
Oh my God. Lahat yata ng offices natin, may mga pambato.
Right. Diba? Ang fun. Ganun lang siya. So that's the tea time for this episode, guys. And again, this is the last episode for this season. Thank you so much for watching. You've been with us since episode 1 with Academia up to this episode. We are very, very happy. And we hope na sa next season, andito pa rin kayo to keep watching and to keep getting, you know, information about the opportunities waiting for you abroad, right? So to end the podcast today, any message, Miss Yvonne and Miss Mai?
As always, we are always grateful sa mga clients namin and sa mga clients who continuously referring us. To everyone, salamat po and God bless us all.
Miss Mai?
We are at Infinity Migration Services are here for you. So kung ano man po yung kailangan nyo for us, from us, andito lang po kami. So,
right. And we'd be happy to assist you guys with your study abroad journey and anything that we can help you with, let us know. So again, thank you so much for watching. This has been Mika and this is today's talk where we meet people, create memories, and explore opportunities every Tuesday and Thursday of the week. Thanks again for watching. See you in Season 2!